Okay, some more breaking news that's coming in right now. BJP President Amit Shah has written a letter to Chandrababu Naidu, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister, over the recent split. TDP, remember, split away from the NDA recently. He writes in the letter, decision both unfortunate and unilateral. Shah says that the split is due to Naidu's political considerations. The PM has left no stone unturned for Andhra's progress, he explains. Shah also writes, BJP's commitment to Andhra is unquestionable. Amit Shah accuses Naidu of partisan politics. So that's the latest coming in right now. The BJP has finally hit back at the TDP for splitting away from the NDA. Remember, Chandrababu Naidu, in fact, split away from the NDA recently because they felt that the BJP government was not according Andhra Pradesh the special category status. My colleague Vedika Sachdeva Sood, in fact, is on the phone line with me. Vedika, run us through what are the key points that Amit Shah raises in this letter to Chandrababu Naidu.
Follow me, this letter comes about 8 days after that split was made official. Let me just take you through some of the big takeaways from this letter. It is a scathing letter, no doubt, because what Amit Shah says is it's because of political considerations and not for the development of Andhra Pradesh that Chandrababu Naidu has taken this step. Let me just quote from this letter, which is dated 23rd March. He says, and I quote through this letter, this decision is both unfortunate as well as unilateral. It is a decision I am afraid will be construed as being guided wholly and solely by political considerations instead of developmental concerns. He also then backs, of course, his Prime Minister, stating that Narendra Modi has left no stone unturned in ensuring the growth and prosperity of the state. He also goes on to remind Chandrababu Naidu how the BJP had helped set the agenda and help the Chandrababu Naidu's party when they didn't have the adequate numbers in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. But it's right at the end, follow me, that, the scathing letter really leaves an impression that, the BJP is all set to go ahead without the help of the TDP, because what Amit Shah then goes on to say through this letter to Chandrababu Naidu is that, and I quote again, unfortunately, partisan politics has overtaken, leading to your party leaving the NDA.
Right. A scathing letter there written by Amit Shah to Chandrababu Naidu. Vedika, thank you so much for those details.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.